Welcome back. In our video today, I am going to show you how to use DomoAI privately. So this is your DomoAI, and if you do that here, unfortunately, it's not a good idea because whatever you ask for DomoAI here, everyone can see it. These people or users that are also using in this area. For example, if you tap generate one, two, generate videos, any of the generate the section right here, if you ask Domo AI, then everyone can see it. Okay. So what I'm going to show you is how to use Domo AI in private in two methods. First, what you're going to do here is to look or tap this Domo server here. Go to the right side, tap this one, and click this view profile. Here, what you're going to do is to simply tap this send message. Okay. After you tap the send message button, then here you go. You can ask Domo AI privately. Okay, whatever prompts you ask, okay, generate something. And all you have to do is to attach the image and video and use the same features. So that is the first method. The second method is you just have to click this plus icon right here on the left side, or shall I say you have to create or add a new server. Tap this one, click add a server. Okay, click create my own for me and my friends, and then you can now add a name for that. You can even add a photo if you want to. So for example, I want to name it as AI private. Click create, and then here, what you're going to do is to simply add Domo AI to the server. To do that, tap this Domo AI picture, go to the right side, tap view profile here, click add apps, and then kindly look for or add a server that you have created earlier, and then authorize. Wait for a couple of seconds. Confirm that you're a human, and then you can now send a message privately to Domo AI. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.